Hey, if I got a hack for you, stay tuned. It's a must watch. Hey, you know, when it comes to vacuum sealing, I vacuum seal a lot of fish. I got a great hack for you, and we're going to get right into it because I was having problems with my machine. I thought it was getting wore out. It wasn't sealing. Uh, and so I figured out what it was. Let's see. See, it's got a good seal, great vacuum in it. What it is, it's got these foam rings right here, okay? Sometimes you get little scales on them. You have to pick them off. Be gentle, because you don't, you'll cut this. And but my problem was, for some reason, it got a crease into it right here, right in here, and I fixed that problem. As you can see, there's some Vaseline right there. What I done, I kept putting Vaseline over that, and it swells that up. So the hack's going to be is when it's not vacuum sealing, check your seal. Either something's on it, or it's got a crease in it, or its pads wore down. If you put Vaseline on it, and it'll absorb it up. Do it 2 or 3 times. Try it out, and it should swell them up. That's what it did here. It swelled this up, so now it seals perfectly. So, if your machine's not sealing, check out them foam rings around there, because that's what the seal power is. It's supposed to come together, pinch close together. I got a scale on me, and it's supposed to seal. So if it's not doing it, check it, and put some Vaseline around it 2 or 3 times. Let it just soak in overnight, 2 or 3 days, and then wipe it down, and then try it, and it should work.